In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AliExpress with Shopify to import products and start dropshipping quickly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, install the dropshipping app DSers from the Shopify App Store and connect it to your Shopify store. Once connected, visit AliExpress and browse for products you want to sell. When you find a product, click Add to DSers to import it. After adding products, open your DSers dashboard and go to Import List. Here you can edit product titles, descriptions, pricing, variants, and images before publishing them. When everything looks good, click Push to Store. DSers will automatically add the product to your Shopify store. Finally, return to Products in Shopify to review the imported product and make any final adjustments before making it available to customers. That's it, you've successfully learned how to use AliExpress with Shopify. Thanks for watching.